Welcome to your new favorite hobby, assembling particle board until your fingers bleed. Try not to hurt yourself on the cover page. Look at all these languages telling you that this furniture will kill you if you don't bolt it to the wall. I'm sure you think you're smarter than the warning labels. You aren't. Oh, look, instructions on tools. A flathead or a Phillips. Pick the wrong one and you'll strip the screws immediately, just like you always do. Here are your parts. 6x this, 4x that. I give it 10 minutes before you've lost the crucial piece and are crying on the kitchen floor. Step 1 and 2. Putting dowels into holes. It's not rocket science, yet I'm sure you'll find a way to snap the wood like a dry twig. Screw in the metal studs. Use a hand screwdriver, you absolute barbarian. If I see a power drill, I'm personally coming over to revoke your DIY license. Slide the pieces together. The arrows show you where to go. If you need me to explain how a peg goes into a hole, seek medical help immediately. Look, it's a cam lock. Put it in, turn it. You're doing okay for someone who barely passed primary school. Let's keep the streak going. One screw. Just one. Don't overthink it. Although I know your brain is currently overheating from the immense effort. These are the brackets for the wall. Yes, I know you want to skip them so you don't have to drill into your drywall. Don't be a hazard to society. Time to connect the pieces. It's a bookshelf, not a space station. Just align the holes, and try not to drop the whole thing on your foot. You finished. It's standing up. It's not crooked. I am genuinely stunned. Now go find a book to put on it before you regret this purchase even more.